Hey, I'm Holly Overton with Charter Building Group, and we're in the HGTV Smart Home 2022, and I'm here to show you some of our favorite smart features in this house that you can incorporate into your home. One of my favorite features in this kitchen is the hidden pantry doors. This is a great way to hide your space if you're having company over and that space is a little untidy. So this just opens up. There's tons of storage back here. We've got a butler's pantry and a storage pantry. So we're in the master bathroom, and this has a shower and tub combo, and all the components of the shower are operated by this Kohler Connect DTV system. This is something that could be easily incorporated into a master bathroom. Even if you don't have the tub inside the shower, these shower features can be controlled by this digital screen here. Also in the master suite is a laundry chute that goes over to the laundry room. So this is the garage space, and it leads into a grocery and package drop area. This is another feature that you could add on to almost any of our floor plans. We added some square footage here. It's heated and cooled, and it has a secure entry. So there's a keypad entry that you can give a package delivery service, drop your package, and it's secured. There's also a little refrigerator in there if you wanted to utilize it for a grocery delivery. This rec room has beautiful skylights that let in a ton of natural light, and the porch is a very big wow factor. Come with me. So on the porch we have a vaulted ceiling, we have additional skylights, and there's also a phantom screen retractable screen porch system. So when it's not buggy, you can have that screen porch up and you're entertaining, and then when it is, you can just drop that screen porch by the push of a button. You can add a fiberglass or a concrete pool, pergola, outdoor kitchen. These are all things that we can help you add to your Charter Building Group home. Thank you for joining me for this quick tour of this home. We look forward to hearing from you soon and discussing how Charter Building Group can help you incorporate some of these smart features into your home.